Welcome to the InfinityBiz training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use InfinityBiz Builder. Go to the left menu and click on InfinityBiz Builder. Now you will redirect to Builder. You can create a workspace for your use. You can share your workspace with others too. Now click on New Site. Here you can choose Done for You templates for your website. Just choose your desired Done for You template. Our exclusive editor will open your chosen template. Here you can edit the template according to your requirements. You can edit or add text to your website template. Change the links on your site and choose the link type. Add pages to your website. Publish, export, and download your website template. Add custom code to your website. Preview your website. Your edited website template is saved in the project section. You can manage it here. Thanks for watching the video.